Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shatakshi. I hope you guys like it here. So I'm back with yet another video, and this is going to be our Sugarbox unboxing. And before we go on with that, the winner for the last giveaway is Anjani Thakur. So congratulations, Anjani. Please inbox me your details and let's move on to this one. So this is how the box looks like this month, a white box with a plain ribbon on top, and the theme for this particular month is spring summer edition. So it says season of bloom, season of blossom, an edition that fumes with elements of awesome. So that is it. Okay, so the first elephant in the room inside the box that I can see is this particular sling bag. It is a mauvish kind of bag, and to be honest, I'm not really a fan of this color. I would rather go for a tan color or a black color. This is somewhere in between, but I think you can make it work. Work it, baby. So okay, so there is a huge compartment inside, and there is a zip on the back. There is no zip in the front or on the back of the purse, so that is how it looks like. The string is long and you do not get any adjustable strap for that, so that is the first product. The second thing that I can see inside this is also a jewelry box organizer. So this is how it looks like. It's in a teal color and quite nice color if you ask me. And this is how it looks like. It has a lot of compartments for your rings, earrings, and then two small compartments to keep something that might not fit into these. So that is the second thing. The third thing that I can see inside is this pretty bracelet. It has seashells and a starfish and a crystal. So that is that. I do see an ice bag. This is a cute beer bag. This is an ice mask, so you can put it into your refrigerator, and then once you're done with your day, you can put it on your eyes, and it will be very relaxing. So it can be used for store eyes, headache, fatigue, and strain. So really helpful for all of that. I also see a lipstick inside. This one is the magic color chain. So if you know it is like a transparent, but then like based on the heat of your body, it changes the color. So this one I got in the shade Crystal Jacqueline. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'll write the name on the screen. This is how it looks like. It is almost clear orangish kind of color, and I'll not use it because I'm not sure about it as of yet, and it has a small lip symbol on top of it, so pretty cute. So we also get a makeup product. Then I can see a bar cake inside, and I'm not sure if this is eggless or not. Okay, there is a huge list of what it contains, but then this is a bar cake, or maybe chocolate as you can say. The last but not the least is a dress inside the box, and this is a boho kind of dress. This is how the dress looks like. It is a long dress and it has slits on the side. I hope you can see them. I'll wear it and show it to you guys. This is how it looks like. It has a small knot here, so this will go on this part, and this is how it looks. This is a very very thin material, like pretty much you can see everything through it, but it's like very beach appropriate, if you know what I mean. So you can wear something like bralette under this and then wear this, and you're good to go on the beach. So even though like the quality is not quite great, and it's like very airy kind of material, but I think it is supposed to be that way. So it's meant for beaches. You cannot wear it at your home or something like that. So that is everything that we received in this particular month of Sugarbox. Comment down below with what was your favorite product. I think I was not quite sure, but after trying this out, I pretty much loved it. I love the jewelry box organizer as well, because that was something different. And who wouldn't love this cute beer ice bag? So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please leave a comment down below, like the video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, and I love you guys.